Forgotten username recovery failed on Coinmama App Fix. If you've tried recovering your Coinmama username and hit a wall, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by skipping key verification steps or using an outdated email. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, regaining access is simpler than you think. Step 1. Open the Coinmama app or website and select Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Coinmama will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and repeated requests in a short period can temporarily lock your account. Patience is key here. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, and recent purchase or transaction history. Contact Coinmama support directly and provide this information. Including your linked bank account or crypto wallet details can speed up verification and restore access more quickly. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, helping prevent future login problems and keeping your cryptocurrency secure. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your Coinmama account efficiently. Remember, secure credential management and proper verification are essential for protecting your crypto investments.